Good morning. We are up early, taking you on a little adventure. We are headed to Seminole, Oklahoma, to a place I've never been to before. So I'm taking you with me, so let's go. Are you excited?
Super excited.
What are we going to do today?
I think we're petting animals. I don't know what we're doing.
We'll find out. I never imagined in my wildest dreams that wild animals could be so sweet. Hello.
Looks like a big old cat. Okay. Her name is Freya. Freya?
Uh-huh.
Carl. He's our juvenile albino
Carl.
articulated python. He's only about 7 years old. He's about 11 foot long. He won't quit growing until he's about 25, 30 feet. Yeah.
He won't much.
No, he won't. He ate Thursday. Is it okay if I wrap him up? Oh gosh.
He does not want to leave.
Squished a little
There
bit.
you go.
We have a 6-foot snake named Boris.
Boris.
Okay, I think I'm good. I think I'm good. This was fun. I love you, Carl. Have a good day.
All right.
Oh.
No, you're not. No? You can pry him off you.
Woo. All right.
So here's our possum. Just please don't do the finger thing like I am with him. He knows my scent very well. So if he doesn't know your scent, he will literally let go and try to run away. He's not very fast. He runs super slow. It's the principle. It's not a red fox. About 7 months old.
Oh, he's a baby? I thought he was an old guy.
They only live from 1 to 2 years old.
Oh, they
In the
do?
wild, yes.
I didn't know that.
In captivity, it's like 2 to 3 max.
I did not know that. They don't have a long life.
Uh-oh.
Now let's talk about cost. It was $35 per person. That's for ages 2 and up. You can add an additional predator pass, which is $15 per person for ages 8 and up. That allows you into the enclosures with the foxes, wolves, coyotes, and you get to see the bobcat. You can also talk to them about reserving space or time for private events such as birthday parties.
Yep, so these guys, they're a desert fox breed. They came from a home to where they didn't really know much about me. Y'all like to?
He's adorable.
It's not bad at all, but he's looking for belly rubs right now. If y'all would like to, he is.
Nice. Stick your hand. You gotta stick your hand through there.
I just love animals. Let me know in the comments what your favorite animals are. So sweet.
He was a failed cat. As I said,
He's so little.
He is little. She said he's 7 years old. Most of the animals here at Nomad are owner surrender. Some were rescued from research medical facilities, and some of them were found abandoned and were rehabilitated, and once they were determined they could not be released into the wild, places like Nomad step in to give them the best quality of life.
It's a banana. Look, I'll hold you and you just hold your hand out. You got it? Can you try before I do this?
would you like to feed
You
the
sure you don't want to? Okay, go. Stick your arm out.
Oh, you're good. She's a sweet. She lives in the house. If that makes you feel better.
Okay.
This is her. Yes, this is her playpen.
Playpen time, outdoor. Well, I watched that other station where they have a whole bunch of these. It's just banana time. I know.
Here you go. Oh, thank you.
Soft little hands. She was real soft and gentle.
Hi, baby.
Yeah, she's got soft and gentle paws.
They're the cleanup crew. Goodbye, June. Do you like June?
I do like June.
She's like, bye.
Whereas the average lifespan is only 10 to 12. Oh, wow.
Hi, baby.
Oh, yeah. She has beaten terminal cancer 4 times now.
Wow.
She does have that tumor on the side of her face.
What was that popular song a few years ago? What does the fox say? Here at Nomads, you can find out what the fox does say. Do you want a hot dog? Here.
Red foxes in here. They are all of our fur farm
She said they probably won't eat because it's hot. They're just napping. Is that your friend? Oh, you're so cute. You're very handsome.
Oh, there's like a reindeer. I saw a reindeer.
Instead, these guys lived all over these guys. Maybe a few to one.
She just kept looking around like.
She's like,
And
I
then
don't like
took it
being
out.
mouthed.
Oh, you're so. I tried to do it and she just looked around.
Oh, you're so precious.
Here.
Like really cute. What?
It'll just be nice.
I don't know if that was nice or not, but
It didn't hurt.
once the sheep arrived, it was animal palooza. There were animals everywhere. Ooh. I already gave it to him. I'm sorry. I'm out. You sure are pretty. He's like, you have no food. I'm out of here. I don't have anything else. I have nothing else. Look at your markings on your back. It's pretty. It's like, nope, you got nothing for me. Hi, baby. The coyote got your ear. That's very sad. Now is the perfect time to tell you that if you're near Seminole, Oklahoma, and you have any unwanted produce or meat, they do accept donations. Make sure you send them a message ahead of time just to verify. But they do accept donations for the animals if you'd like to contribute. But give them some time. They are tending animals, doing tours, and making comedy skits. Check out Nomad's Animal Adventures on TikTok and Facebook to watch some funny, haha comedy skits by the owner. Fine. This is so fun. Let's watch it again in slow motion. Is my aim that bad, or can he just not catch? Let me know in the comments.
They can jump up to 12 feet.
Oh my gosh. He's like, wait, they're all gone.
So these guys are the fourth largest rodent. They are a delicacy in South America. We've had multiple tourists come in and say they taste exactly like orange chicken.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
That's so sad.
Cat from the same home. So and here's Smiley, our baby coyote.
Oh, we went to belly rub.
Oh, look at his tail. Wiggle his tail. He's wiggling his tail.
Are you gonna make me come get you? Come on.
He wants to play.
Come on, I don't want to dress you. I don't want to dress you now. Come on. Come on. Oh, go on. I just eat chickens. What's the coyote's name?
At Nomads, you do have to make advance reservations. This is not like a public zoo where you can just show up and pay to get in. So make sure you do make reservations ahead of time if you decide you want to go out and see Nomad's Animal Adventure.
I love him.
You're so precious. You're so precious. Hi, buddy. The other one's chunky. Okay. I love you. Bye.
Yeah. Look at her poofy tail. It's kind of a
Getting small. You okay? Very beautiful.
Now, how'd you get her?
So she came from Wild Care Ranch. That's kind of a center where they rescue and release.
There we go.
Yeah, if you're talking about the ones like you see on TikTok that people have, it's those. I would definitely not have it. The person that smells the worst, and he'll absolutely love on them the whole time.
I could win a competition.
Why can't we go?
Because they're in rut, so they're all super mean.
Wait, what are
Those deer.
Wait, they'll eat you? So the person that smells the worst?
Does this mean I smell the worst?
What is
Yeah.
what is the
Honored.
best.
Honored.
the bobcat's name?
The bobcat's name is Eli.
Sweetie.
He's so cute.
Hi, sweetie.
Eli.
Oh my gosh.
That's you. Thank you.
I think Carrie might still be bigger.
Harry's fat. You're very cute. I like your little ears and your tail. You okay? You having a good day?
Oh, hi. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Sweet kisses.
You petting potato chips?
Yeah. Hi, potato. Hi, potato chip. Hi, baby. Hi, best friend. Oh, hello.
You can tell it's got wolf in it.
Hi, baby.
Pretty baby. Potato chip.
Who are you? Who are you? Hello.
Is that potato chip again?
No, this is a different one. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Hi, best friend. Hi, best friend. Hi, baby. Oh, pretty good. Oh, dingo. Oh, dingo.
You want a wolf dog?
Look how beautiful her tail is.
I know.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, baby. Thank you, thank you. Oh, stretch.
Probably taller than I am.
Oh, hi, friend.
He'll come back. Okay.
He's like, I want to kiss you. You're the pretty one. You're the pretty one. I'm going to kiss you.
He knows he's the charmer in here.
Hi, Olaf.
He weighs 150 pounds.
So he's half Arctic and half timber.
Yeah, it's like an intern. Yeah. Come on. No. That's okay.
Oh, no sudden moves.
You guys want to pet Spanky?
You want to pet him? He'll stay very still, be very calm.
What was your favorite part?
Probably when the bobcat was looking at me. I think his name was Eli. He was cute.
Eli was cute. Bobcat. What was my favorite part? It was all fun. I can't pick one part. I really do think the foxes were my favorite part of the whole day. We have to leave Davy here.
Davy's coming.
Davy would probably fit in my purse. I might have missed my calling as a skunk and possum wrangler. What do you think? Let me know if you would do this animal encounter. Thanks for joining us at Nomad's Animal Experience here in Seminole, Oklahoma. Until next time, bye for now.